Good evening, I'm Derek Hales, joined by Chris O'Neill, welcoming you to March Madness 2018 and the road to the Final Floor. We're here at the illustrious ModernCastle.com arena in Phoenix, Arizona.
Today is the day we've all been waiting for as the tournament comes to a dramatic conclusion. Let's see which of these eager sweepers can really clean up the court. Earlier this week, 8 robots began their journey for sanitation domination, but only 2 will survive the brush with dirt and debris to make it on to the Final Floor round.
At the end of the day, 6 robots have been eliminated, with 2 advancing to the coveted Final Floor, both hoping beyond hope they have what it takes to suck the most. Let's go down to the arena floor where Roomba 980 versus Show Me Me is about to begin.
All right, robots, I want a good, clean match.
And here we go as our March Madness final is started with the rice jump. Refereeing the match today is league veteran Lyle Williams. How's it going down there, Lyle?
Well, the crowd's really sucked into the action here.
Ref Lyle is known for running a tight game. And as you can see, he's not going to cut these robots any slack. He's really pushing some buttons down there. You can see Xiao Mi using his laser debris scanner to maneuver the floor.
All robots who make it to the March Madness tournament have overcome many trials, but perhaps none so much as Show Me Me. This young robot was manufactured in China and has battled tangled brush rolls, a language barrier, and more to get here tonight. His parents, while they couldn't be here this evening, do send their well wishes. Coming down to the last few grains of rice on the floor, and that's the game.
Wow, Derek, wow.
Ref Lyle has confirmed the board is clean, meaning the match is officially over.
Wow, what a match. Truly an incredible fight where suction, speed, and the ability to not get stuck in the corner made all the difference.
With that, let's go down to the arena floor for scoring.
The dustbins have been removed as the weigh-in has begun. Xiao Mi coming in at 7.8 ounces. And now for the Roomba 980. We have a total scored weight of 10.2 ounces. Roomba 980 is the winner!
Not exactly an underdog story, folks. The Roomba simply came in more prepared for today's contest. Nevertheless, you've got to admire their determination to suck, sweep, scoot, and suck their way to victory in this tournament.
With Roomba's victory, we must bring this tournament to a close. Be sure to check out ModernCastle.com for exceptional reviews, product comparisons, and terrible puns. Signing off, I'm Derek Hales.
And I'm Chris O'Neill.
Wishing you a good night. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun watching this as we did making it. Please remember, don't take any of these results too seriously. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you do want to see full reviews on any of these vacuums, check them out over at ModernCastle.com. We have all these robots fully reviewed and tested in our comprehensive performance test, as well as lots more. If you like what you saw here, definitely get subscribed. Check out some of our other videos. Also check out some of the links down in the description below. We have links for all these vacuums. And a big shout out and a thank you to all my family and friends who helped us put this video together. Thanks so much.